This is the reason why our parents will tell us, look very, very well before you choose your life partner. You need to see this conversation between this guy and this lady. It is no more a joke. What is going to happen in the recent time, only God will save us. Our children unborn, or the kids that will take over from us, then you really need to teach them. If you don't teach them well, they will be a victim. I tell you, even harlots, they have shame. But this girl here, get single shame. Actually, this video will be for broken, so that I can dey my place, they do my thing. I go like make you watch some of the clip that I will not play all of them. I no go play all of them. Then comment on the comment section whether you agree. Your mind, because me I dey shake, I dey feel this situation so much that I want make some people know wetin dey go on. Because you go just go carry, you or your son or your sibling, they go just go carry one person, think say they don't marry, think say that they get friend. Completely opposite reasoning.
You are interested in men who use sexual enhancement drugs.
Yeah.
But that would be dangerous to you, and I don't think that's a good call.
That's me, and that's what I want. So if you think you are a man and you are coming for me and you don't know how to use drugs for sex, then stay back.
The kind of things that boys are chewing, boys are drinking, and rubbing on their manhood. Can you stand it? What you are calling for? Can you stand it?
Yes, I can stand it.
But there are men who do not do drugs, but they are stands, as in the person staying fine.
No.
I have.
I mean, you need to go far.
Like you need to last long.
Last long.
You need to last long.
Yeah. You need to last long. And I love crazy sex too.
Okay.
Yes. So when you are coming, you need to be someone who takes in drugs for sex.
Una wey be young ones, if your parents they tell you make you look very well, open your eye. If you carry this kind one, go home. Now obituary. Until we meet again. This one a bye-bye. What will you tell your God, even as a girlfriend? Talk more of marriage.
I don't like him. That when you are coming, be someone who uses drugs for sex. Simple.
I've heard you don't like wearing bra, like you're seated. I could see that these days most of you don't like wearing bra, like you're seated. I could see that you're not wearing bra. Your this thing is small, just staring at me like that. Why? At least wear bra. You're coming to bra, wear something, man.
You know what? Wearing bra is outmoded. Yes. Look at me. Even as I'm sitting now, I'm not wearing pants.
Oh no, you must be kidding me.
You can touch it.
People have advised me to stop touching. Oh. But I let them know it is not for me.
I can show you if you want. Let me open it.
Wait.
You say pity.
Wearing bra is outmoded.
Yes.
And do you think your woman will side with what you're saying, that wearing bra is outmoded?
They know.
They know.
Yes.
And you say you are not wearing panty.
Yes.
And you can show me.
Yeah,
so if I dare you to show me right now, will you show me?
Why not? I'll show you.
If I dare you to show me, will
yes,
you show me?
I'll show you.
Look, listen, know what you are showing because you are not wearing pants. What you are showing me is the real deal.
I can open it for you to see.
My people, should we? It is not me. It is not me. It is you. What you want to see is what I make her show. So, okay, if you show to camera, that will be indecent exposure, right? So you show to me. Okay. Show to me. Show to me. Show to me. Show to me.
Nothing wey we no go see o. Na somebody go fall into this trap. Somebody wey woman born from a home, and this girl is from a house, from a home, or from a house or home. I don't know what I go call am, but this is beyond harlot. This is beyond harlot. Believe me, even the harlot them, they know they show up for camera like this. This is another modernized harlotting parading system. Hear this one wey you go say here.
She's interested in dating married men 45 years and above. If you are below 45, she has no time for you.
I'm not interested in young guys.
You're not interested in young guys. So what's your new interest now?
I'm interested in married men.
You're interested in married men?
Yes.
You're interested in married men? What age are you looking at?
45 upwards.
45 upwards.
Yeah.
And you are?
I'm 23.
You are 23.
Yes.
But you're interested in married men who are 45 years upwards.
Yes.
But they are married. Aren't you scared of their wives?
No.
Why? Hey.
No fear.
Tell me your body small. They are married. Aren't you scared of their wives?
No.
At all. But what would they do for you? Because they already have their families to take care of. What would they do for you?
Yeah, for them, I see them like they are married already, so they just want sex.
Okay.
And me too, I want money from them, so we are all helping.
You are all helping.
Yeah.
So you give them what they want and you take their money.
Yes.
So that is it. And she doesn't care what their wives think. All she wants is that 45-year-old married man who is not bald-headed. One day, one of these days, their wives worry you.
No.
How do you prevent yourself from that embarrassment?
I don't think if you do the right thing to your guy, your man, he will come for me. So yeah.
So you have it in mind that it's because their wives are not treating them well. That's why
Yes.
they're coming in for you.
Yeah.
What did your sisters say? What did your brothers say? I mean, your boyfriend, what would he say?
No. But my sisters, they knows me.
They
so,
know. They know that
Yeah.
this is what you want?
Yes.
What-
They know what I want. And so
And
they
they are
can't
okay
tell
with
me
it?
anything. Even my mom.
Are they
Can
okay
you
with
see?
it?
Yeah,
That
they
you
are
are,
okay.
you are going after married men?
Yeah, they are okay.
They are okay. Then they've not advised you before.
Nsobu,
Oh.
these days, how will you know? No fear, no shame, no reputation, no idea of what people, they don't even care. And if you make mistake to carry this kind of person, as she is now, she looks so innocent. And the worst part is that some of our young boys nowadays, they know they hear. They know they hear. If they will still make their try. And where you go, you feel just the thing go who you. And she is saying she don't date married people. She date only married people or rich people, and you have to take drug. You have to do this. You have to do that. No. What?
You are devil, you are evil. They will say, I'm not saying it.
I can't wait.
You are coming from the sea. The devil has sent you to come and destroy men. That is who you are. Hey, I had some.
So I don't know. She is just on her way to destroy many people, and we have a lot of people like this. We get them plenty in our country. I know. Say this one in Ghana, but the one where we get for our place, it plenty pass. You can check him out and see some of the full content or full interview of this video. I don't want play all of them. I just want me you see, so that kindly careful. Make we be very careful. Oh, gonna call them no. Bye bye.